In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable drag to group tabs in Microsoft Edge in just a few seconds. If you've ever accidentally grouped your tabs while trying to move them around, this setting can be really annoying, especially if you like keeping your browser organized a certain way. The good news is that Edge gives you a simple toggle to turn this feature off. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you out and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main settings and options for Edge. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. On the Settings page, you'll see a menu on the left side. Find and click Appearance. This section controls how the browser looks and behaves, so it's the right place for tab-related options. Now scroll through the appearance settings until you find the tabs section. In this area, you should see an option labeled Drag to Group Tabs. This is the setting that automatically groups tabs when you move them together. To disable it, simply toggle it off. Once it's turned off, Edge will stop grouping your tabs when you drag them, giving you more control over how you organize your browser windows. That's really all there is to it. You've now disabled drag to group tabs in Microsoft Edge. If this video saved you some frustration, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful browser tips, Windows tutorials, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.